Hey, today I'll show how anyone, really anyone, can mod their Beyerdynamic DT-770 headphones to have a detachable cable. This is a very simple and nice upgrade. It gives you the possibility to use different cable lengths or types for any purpose. You can even use cables with a built-in microphone, giving these headphones a new feature. The best part is that you can forget about cable problems forever. After this modification, if the cable breaks, you just replace the cable, not buy new headphones. If your headphones are still working fine, don't mod them yet. Wait until the cable breaks and then do the modification. First, remove the ear pad. Grab the edge and carefully pull it off. It's not glued and not tightly fixed. Then use a flat tool to remove the plastic locking ring and the foam filter. Take the speaker driver out carefully. It has very small wires that are easy to damage, so don't pull hard. You also will need to buy a 3.5mm socket. The link is in the video description. If you want to keep the stock cable but make it detachable, also buy a 3.5mm jack that can be soldered onto the original cable end. I'll show how to do that in the next video. Today, I'm showing how to make the headphones use a removable cable. You'll also need some basic tools, heat shrink tubing, and a soldering kit. Cut the cable outside the ear cup. Pull the wires out of the cable jacket, separate them, and cut off the fabric threads. A flame can help remove the tiny threads. Next, enlarge the hole in the ear cup housing for your chosen 3.5mm socket. The hole should be just big enough so the socket fits tightly and doesn't fall out. Use a multimeter to find which pins on the socket are left, right, and ground. On the driver contact board, you can see which wire colors are for left, right, and common ground. Strip the insulation from the cut wires so they can be soldered. Tin the wires to make soldering easier and improve quality. Tin the socket contacts as well. Pull the wires through the new hole. This is the most important moment. Solder the wires correctly according to the wire colors and the socket pinout. Start with ground. In my case, the black wire is ground. Then solder the white wire, left channel. The red wire is the right channel signal. Be careful not to create a short circuit. When all wires are soldered to the socket, twist wires slightly together and apply some nail polish over the socket contacts. This helps prevent future short circuits. After the nail polish dries, wrap the headphones in a small plastic bag so glue won't damage them. Apply super glue to the socket housing and insert it into the drilled hole. Add glue from the inside too, and sprinkle baking soda on top. Yes, baking soda from the kitchen. Together with super glue, it creates an instant hard filler that holds the socket perfectly in place. Remove excess baking soda, for example using a vacuum cleaner. Put the sound absorber back, then reinstall the speaker housing into the ear cup. Place the foam filter and press the locking ring back into position. Finally, put the ear pad cushion back on, and congratulations. You've done what the manufacturer only started doing many years later with the DT-770 Pro X model. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below the video. Good luck with your mod.